Hey everybody, it's Paul's day off. Today is Monday, and that makes it Rum Day. Today, I have a little Parrot Bay Coconut Rum. You can see it's nice and clear. The nose, I do get some coconut on. This says it's got natural coconut. It's only 21% alcohol by volume, but it is very tasty. It is rum flavored, and having natural rum, it should be. It will definitely be one that I'll be looking at picking up. Out of all the coconut rums that I've tried, that might be my favorite. So there you have it. I'm Paul. It's my day off. That's Parrot Bay Coconut Rum. Pick it up.